In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to move photos from Google Photo to Gallery. So to move photos from Google Photo to Gallery, you just have to follow the simple steps. So for that, you need to go ahead and open up your Google Photos app. And when you actually do that, you need to go ahead and, open up your particular photo that you wish to go ahead and add it. Now, let's say I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my gallery. So what next you need to do is just press on that, and then you need to go ahead and press on share. As you do that, you should be able to find this option as to add it to your option. Now what next you can do is you could just go ahead and so you could go ahead and press the three dot icon, and over here you should be able to see this option as download. When you actually press on the download button, it's going to be automatically added to your gallery. If you're unable to see the download option just like mine, that means this particular photo already exists into your gallery, or you could go ahead and use the web version and do the same procedure that I've shown you recently. So that's how you can move photo from Google Photo to Gallery. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.